Leslie, people are beginning to talk. We need to be nicer to one another. What do you think, dear?
You're right, David. If we always keep going at each other, we won't be able to tell everyone about the great savings on the 4x4 Sorento or the 5-star safety-rated Sedona minivan loaded with features as low as $17,000. And don't forget, everything is online at ParsonsChryslerKia.com.
Nobody beats a Parsons deal.
That's right. See, that was easy being nice. David! Idiot! Kia, the power to surprise.
Imagine driven GT his ice blue 06 Kia Sorento LX, equipped with a 6-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed manual transmission with only 26,214 miles. Enjoy this great SUV with features like side airbags, driver's side airbag, passenger side airbag, tilt steering wheel, cruise control, tinted glass, front bucket seats, and much more. Enjoy the drive and have peace of mind in this 06 Kia Sorento LX. See us at Parsons Chrysler Kia today.
There's a mouse in my office!
Well, I think we found Mr. Jingles.
I can't believe you have me looking for a real, live mouse.
Well, you only asked me if it was wireless.
Kia, the power to surprise.